Welcome to Comfy Cozy Up, and it's been about 2 months since I've done a vlog, but to be honest with you, I haven't really been going anywhere. So tonight I'm going to this jazz event, and it's like a farewell, so it's bittersweet, but it should be fun. So stay tuned for some more and enjoy the music.
Tough. I mean, every Monday, the first Monday he took off, it was Hurricane Sandy. And Hurricane Sandy, he did not cancel a show until about 5 o'clock. I called him, I said, Jay, we having a show tonight? Yeah, we having a show. There's a hurricane on the way. He did not cancel Jazzy Monday until the MTA shut down. If you know G2, he did not drive. The MTA was his signal that it was serious. If the trains were not running, oh, it was serious then. That's the only thing that, if the MTA did not shut down, Jazzy Monday would have been on during Hurricane Sandy, I guarantee you.
I was charged to step up to the position of African spiritual revolutionist. I said a prayer and she blessed me with the power of a majestic elocutionist. Watch my style as I deliver this rhythm of my people moving through my hips. Something's about to go down.